America, this story should have everybody's blood boiling. And it speaks to a larger problem that we have in this country on ideology land of Stanford. Ever since HIV/AIDS patient advocacy groups began raising questions last week about why turning pharmaceuticals jacked up the price for medication from $13 per pill to $750 overnight, anger against the company has begun to boil over. The medicine, it's Daraprim, which has been on the market for about 62 years, is a standard care for food-borne illnesses caused by parasites that can severely affect those who have compromised immune systems. Now, the company purchased the right to the drug last month and almost immediately raised the price by literally almost 700%. 700% they raised the price, right? And you know, people are like, this is crazy. It was just a tremendous increase. It would have wound up paying people, even if you had insurance, your out-of-pocket cost for this pill that is life-saving for a lot of these folks would have been $150 per pill out of your own pocket. Now, it got pretty serious. Everybody was talking about it. Even Hillary Clinton, Rodham Clinton, presidential candidate for the Democratic primary, said she was outraged and promised that she had a plan to get rid of this and, you know, basically say, you know, this is a problem. Right? And here's what happened. The company has said that they will use the money from the sales to further research treatment for the disease, or for the, you know, the toxoplasmosis, which he said has long been neglected. He also said the firm is planning to invest in marketing and education tools to raise awareness for the disease, and reasonable and reason answered, but it's still unsatisfactory demanding because people have to understand, like, how does a pill go from $13.50 to $750? And herein lies a problem, right? We have far too long let corporations who the only interest is profits, especially if they're publicly traded, for shareholders. That is their only interest. Only interest. Right? And I want to make a correction, right? So I said it was 700%. It's actually jacked up 5,000% from the base price of $13.50. So it's 5,000%. It was jacked up. Right? But in my mind, here's the problem. You have, these type of things should be a government interest. This is about public good and public health, not about profits. But sadly, we've made it more about profits than about public health and the good of the public. And now these pharmaceutical companies are raking in the money, hand over fist, and the American people are literally dying in the process.